Hello, hello. I was streaming to myself. I don't know what was happening. Anyway, I had a whole 15-minute conversation um, on a different stream. It doesn't matter. Hey, everybody. Let's start streaming. My name's Dawn Wages. I am the director of community and developer relations at Anaconda, and I'm doing this reoccurring live stream called Workshop Wednesday. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday, everyone. I have to start working on my streamer voice. Okay, let's practice. Hey y'all, it's Dawn, and you've got Workshop Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Let's get into the workshop. We're going to be building some SciPy or scientific Python tools using CNN, computer vision. We'll use, I think we got to decide on the call whether we're going to use TensorFlow or PyTorch. And yeah, we're definitely going to be using the Rapids libraries. For those who may not be familiar, that's NVIDIA's Python, mostly Python compute libraries. I think that's my dad. Hi, Dad. So we'll be building some things, and let's get into it. Cool. So I'll start sharing my screen. All right, so I haven't done so much yet. I'm in my Anaconda Jupyter lab, and for people who are not familiar with this view, but if you're used to Jupyter lab, this should look like a familiar view with extra things on the side. So we have an opportunity for you to use the extensions manager with PyPI. These would be a third-party extension community. This is our Anaconda toolbox where you are clicking through and looking at more of your file explorer. And then here are your kernels. And so you'll have your workspaces, your terminals, your anything that you've recently closed, your language servers. And for people who aren't familiar, like Anaconda is the Conda environment manager and the Anaconda distribution, although it ships Python with you, it is a multi-language environment and package manager. So you can have multiple language servers in here if you want. You can do R in here. You can run C in here. That's what makes it so easy to use, or wouldn't say easy. Easy is the wrong word. It is, although we definitely provide ease and reduce friction, it is a tool that has lots of capabilities. And so it's an open sandbox for you to play in. So what I've done so far, oh yeah, let's also revisit what we're building to. So the last stream, so the last stream, it was going through, on Workshop Wednesday, we were going through the PRD, the product requirements documentation. This is very loose. I don't think anyone's manager would approve of this PRD. But we're building a tricorder biological diagnostics. So we'll use Scikit-Image and machine learning, and we have to figure out whether or not we're going to use PyTorch or TensorFlow. And we'll build it together. So we're just going to keep chucking along. Let's see, where am I? For those joining the stream, say hi in the chat. We'll be here for a minute, so get cozy. Cool. Let's also open up my chat so I can see people talking to me. Say hi. Okay. Cool. Hello. So right now we are going to, I'll keep this to the side so people want to know what we're building. It's biological diagnostics kit. And I'm right now just setting up my environment. And for, oh hey, how you doing? Hey Natalie. Uh, so right now I am setting up my environment. I activated a new Conda project. I also used 313. This actually might cause us some issues because I don't know what CUDA versions we want to support. Um, it might get difficult with 313, but 314 is supposed to be coming out in October. So let's do I should also put this in incognito window so you don't see my stuff. We want to look up, Rapids version Python support. Cool. Yeah, it's dropping 3.9. So I always get documentation recommending 3.9, but I think it's just because the documentation is most prevalent. Oh, I love these. Okay, so 313 standard. I want to use QDF, QML, QVS. What is QVS? Vector search. Yep. So that's what I want. Well, yeah, I should probably want QVS. And what is Raft? Raft is algorithms and primitives for machine learning and information retrieval. Cool. Solvers. Clustering, yeah. Cool. So it includes all of this on top of the CUDA toolkit. Okay. Anyone heard of CUDA Raft before? Okay. And then we're definitely using Jupyter Lab, but we're already using Jupyter Lab, so it should be fine. We want to use, okay, let's do PyTorch versus TensorFlow. Why would one choose PyTorch versus TensorFlow? Yes, yes, both are open source deep learning frameworks. I did know that. More Pythonic and intuitive interface. Oh, and I have a friend who was talking about using Keras. High-level API has significantly improved the user friendliness. I've never played with TensorFlow. Maybe we go with TensorFlow. Sound off in the chat if you have an opinion, thoughts. Oh, I should also announce that I'm streaming now. Share. Mm. Okay, so let's keep chatting. So I think I want to use TensorFlow and Keras. CUDA 12. But I'm on 2. Okay, that's good. Okay, both are CUDA 12. Okay, okay. So let's do TensorFlow. And we're using Conda create. I did that already. I did this. Oh, but I didn't even run this command yet. Cool. And it's Python 3.13. That's fantastic. I love that. So let's close this. I kind of, yes. Would I like to get notified by official Jupyter news about Jupyter? Yes, let's do that. I'll do an update later. And I already started typing, so. So let's do this so I can see it. Rapids. I have Rapids AI. Yeah, we do want that. Okay, I just named it CNN project. Okay. Oh, it's new. Okay, Rapids AI. I want to do 25.06 is my version for Rapids. And then I want NVIDIA. I'm using Conda Forge. I'm already identifying my Python version. No worries on that. See NVIDIA, see Conda Forge. Let's see. CUDA 25.06. QML is 25.06. PyLibRaft 25.06. I like the versioning numbers. That makes it very easy and accessible. Raft Dask. Ooh, Dask is in here. 25.06. QVS. I don't even know if we'll need this, but let's just get it. And we'll figure it out later. Am I identifying Python version? Yep. And then I'll do TensorFlow. Cool. So Python, yeah, I'm on 3.13. CUDA, I wonder why this is it. CUDA version greater than or equal to 12.0 or less than or equal to 12.8. I guess that's if I want a new row, new line, whatever. And then TensorFlow. Cool. Let's run. Invalid spec. Did I do something wrong? It says with oh, did I add a space when I probably shouldn't have? Yep, I did. And I'll probably get the same thing for TensorFlow. Oh, I didn't name it that. I want to name it something different. I'll do Oh, okay. Yeah, let me just see NVIDIA. Cool. Nice. Oh, unavailable channel. Rapids 25.06. Oh, it's Rapids hyphen. Um, oh, that's the name of it. Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't want that. Okay, no worries. Yeah. So we have just installed the necessary requirements for through the I'm on the Rapids documentation. If this was, I'll put it also in chat if anybody's following along. And what we're going to do, so here's the order of operations for what we're going to do today. We are starting with installing the right requirements for our project. And then we'll probably want to set up our environment and then start our Jupyter notebook. And then we'll create the basic project structure for creating doing CNN, which is the yeah, let's talk a little bit more about what CNN is. We're creating neural networks. Let's see if I can find, let's see if PyTorch documentation has some. Yeah. Sure. Oh, but we said we were going to do TensorFlow, TensorFlow and Kara. Let's do TensorFlow, Kara, CNN, Keras. This is how, but I want to know a little bit more about CNN. So it's going to be an image identification. So this is also the same technology behind CCTV cameras identifying a person by their face or identifying that it is a person. So you create the base and then you'll take tensors of the shape and you'll process the inputs and then, okay, great. So this is my first time doing this myself. And then we'll train the data and we'll fit it. Cool. And then we will evaluate our model. Awesome. Cool. All right. So let's go back to our notebook. I'm in Jupyter Lab. I added the versions we need. Oh, and then I also want to Conda install, I already have from Conda Forge, OpenCV, Seaborn, and I don't need Jupyter. Jupyter's already in here. I think these are already here. Okay, yes, proceed. Cool. It was so fast. And I'm streaming at the same time. I should have gotten something to drink. I'm thirsty. I wonder if my wife can bring me something to drink. All right, cool. So let's use TensorFlow and I don't want to mix pip and TensorFlow. Let's look at Honda TensorFlow. Yeah, just kind of forge TensorFlow. Do I need to do -GPU? Let's look. TensorFlow GPU. Let's also look at the documentation. Cool. I just want to use TensorFlow. What's the difference between TensorFlow and TensorFlow GPU? No. Okay, someone else asked. Okay, great. So 2 and above. Oh, well, I'm not using GPU right now. I guess it could because I'm using NVIDIA or CUDA. So I probably want GPU. Yeah, TensorFlow GPU requires CUDA. Cool. All right, so let's use TensorFlow GPU. Let's go back to my lab. Okay, and I'll also do conda install C conda forge TensorFlow. Oh, it's one word. TensorFlow GPU. Package is not found. Why? Why? Um, hmm. Hmm. Let's use default channel then. Hmm. TensorFlow GPU. Why not? See if there's any open issues. Well, only Linux? Well, February. It's only Linux. Okay. Well, then let's do Conda install. Shh, my dog's loud. Let's do PyTorch. Did I already install PyTorch? I also said. Oh, we also installed TensorFlow. Did it give issues with TensorFlow? Channels. Yeah, so I just didn't install GPU, which is fine. I want to learn more about why that didn't work, but okay. Did it install TensorFlow? Okay, let's try just console. TensorFlow would require 310, 311. It is installable. Yes, I have pinned the 313 specs. Oh. So if I wanted 313, I'd have to do TensorFlow 217, 218, or 21. Or excuse me, 218.1. So so to describe what I'm running into is common. It is navigating environment management with different packages and wanting to get started on the latest and greatest, and trying to figure out what versions go where. And that's one of the reasons why usually when they have on an install page, and they're only suggesting pip and Docker. That's so interesting. I wonder why. I know why. It's what they maintain, and for some reason they're not maintaining Conda. So let's see what PyTorch has to offer. Yeah, let's go and do PyTorch, and it just adds. Does it change any of these versions? 2506, 2506, 2506, 28, 8. Okay, so let's just have PyTorch. Okay. Let's instead do clicking around. Where are you? Anaconda Navigator. Let's make that smaller. Cool. And I just want to do conda install. Okay, well, it just copied everything, which is fine, but oh, I think we need Conda Forge. Really? Why not? Let's go. Conda install. Let's just do all of it all over again. And just see. Why? Okay. Okay. I want to use QDF. Let's do Conda and export and see what it gives us. So Tesseract. I want QDF. Well, okay. All right, let's keep pushing forward because I think I have everything I need. And we'll see if I don't, but I think I have everything I need in order to push forward. Okay, so we tentatively have our project set up. Let's open up a Jupyter. I wonder what that happens if you do it in here in Jupyter Lab. It wouldn't work if I had. Okay. Let's do a new notebook. Oh, this is cloud. I want to do lab local. Just curious. Okay. I wonder what would happen if I go. Okay. Shouldn't I be able to run my new environment? Okay, great. What does this mean? Yeah. Cool. Okay, well. What's this? Hmm. Mm. No, my dogs are fighting. Stop it! I don't have very many videos on my channel. I just started streaming recently. Well, streaming on my personal channel recently. I used to stream more on my work channel. Okay, so let's keep pushing forward. Let's keep pushing forward. Let's keep pushing forward. Hey, no. Sorry, bud. It's too loud right now. Too loud. Okay, so wonder what to do. Cool. Well, how do I... It just opened up a new one and it's in my base environment. I don't want... I want to... What environment am I in? Okay, we'll just make sure it's doing the right things when I need to. So, yeah. So we'll do... So we're gonna want to start with importing CUDIF, which is it's an accelerated Panda GPU accelerated Pandas, and then we'll do import QP and import QML. So then we'll import our computer vision. Did we decide whether or not we're using PyTorch or what do we decide? Oh, I have like a couple open. Doesn't matter, but it doesn't matter. But we decided we're going to use. I think we're using PyTorch. Yes, we decided we're using PyTorch. So import. Let's do TensorFlow. I think TensorFlow installed. Let's do TensorFlow. I really wanted to use TensorFlow and Keras. TensorFlow STF. Then we'll do import Seaborn. Import matplotlib. Yep. We'll definitely want to do NumPy. I don't, yeah, okay, that'll be good. Oh, yes, oh, let's check, okay, this is a borrowed line. Let's use this for checking GPU availability. So we'll also do this. I like this one. That's for QP and Terraform. Let's see. Right, this is my base, and I really want to understand why am I having trouble? This is such a basic one. I usually am in the terminal. Can someone tell me why I'm not able to switch environments? Let's do this one's basic. Switching environments. Switching Anaconda environments. Jupyter. Oh. So I'm installing it. Well, I'm already activated. Okay. So let's save this. Let's close these tabs. This is probably going to be my favorite way to just do it. I'm opening my terminal. I'm in my base environment. Anaconda activate. Well, Anaconda end list. Anaconda activate CNN project. Jupyter lab. Mm. Mm. Interesting. Go to the environments tab. within Jupyter Lab Desktop. I can do we can always go to Navigator and oh, there we go. There we go. Now I can launch Jupyter Lab. That should work. Save. Let's do toolbox. There we go. I don't know why it was not letting me pick CNN project, but that works. Finally, select. And then we'll go to where is that project? Where'd it go? It's fine. Well, Tricorder, where is it? Okay, I'll just create a new project. Cool, whatever. So, discard. Rename. 2. I don't actually know where this tricorder stuff is. Oh, cool. I don't feel like copying it over or rewriting it. Okay, let's see if this works. Shift, enter. Oh, but I'm back in base. Why am I back in base? I literally said CNN. There you go. Select. Okay. Play again. Okay, fix code. Right. I've installed it. Should be. Let's do terminal. Anaconda. Activate. CNN project. Anaconda. It'll say it already has it, right? Oh, why not? I already did this. Why did this not just work? Where was the Rapids documentation I just had? It says it should be already in there. This is in the Rapids API. Okay. So user guides. Let's go to user guides. Let's do CUDIF. Yeah, import CUDIF. Just like Pandas. No code accelerator for Pandas. Hmm. Hmm. CUDIF isn't one. It would be Rapids AI. Very weird. Because it worked before. Okay, fine. So if the Conda installation is older than 22.1, please update to the latest version. This will include limbamba, Mamba-powered Conda solver that is now included with all Conda installations, significantly accelerate environment solving. I knew that. User guide, installation guide. Let's go back. I'm on 313. We're checking purchase specific packages. Oh, well, let's just do standard then. And I don't want to create, I just want to install. So that did it. Okay. I can restart my kernel. And shift enter. No module named. Why not? This is my environment. All right, let's figure out why it's not acknowledging that I have. Okay. So we'll just do conda list. And how is it going to show? I can grab it. Well, let me just, okay, so conda list grep. It's not there. Why? Okay. But it didn't give me any errors. Oh, it's not found for these kernel channels. It did tell me that. Okay, let's create a new it's conda ims list, whatever. Conda ims inv list. Conda activate base. Let's kind of create this new project. Paste. Let's create that. Okay. Why? Okay, let's switch back to. It's not available. So let's do 312. Do I want to do 312? Am I messing anything up by doing that? No. Starting over. Well, we've been doing this for about an hour. I've been wrestling with my environment, which is typical. I'm gonna sign off for today, and I'll fix my environment issues, and then I'll come back with what I learned. Bye, y'all. Not a very satisfying stream today, but we'll be back at it. Bye, y'all.